I cannot see, and I have no idea if I'm out of focus. Welcome! I have a Christmas tree in my apartment for the first time ever. My name is Paige ACCINELLI. If you guys are new to my channel, if you guys want to see how I did this look today, then keep on watching. Here is the final look, you guys. I hope y'all absolutely love it. I am shook. I think it looks beautiful. Very Christmassy, very luxe, very like, it's probably the most extra look I've done for Christmas so far. I've only been on YouTube for like a year, so all I have behind me is just like my last videos last year. So I feel like this is just, oh my god, do y'all see that? Anyways, love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Should I look at myself? Hello? Oh, hi. My Christmas tree.